Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and here's another video on this cribbage board. Somebody gave me a suggestion. I have to admit I tried it out and it worked maybe faster than we did yesterday. So I'm just going to start with scratch. We got a 20 by 14. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quarter-inch lines. And so I'm going across 20. If you take your calculator, you take away 1.5 inches for these lines, you've got 18.5. 18 point, let me bring on the online calculator, 18.5 divided by 5 is 3.7. So if we build a rectangle that is 3.7, and then we have 12 inches or 14 minus the 1.5 inches for the half-inch, quarter-inch lines, you got 12.5. So we need 2.5. And when I first read his email, I'm going like, whatever. But change your nudge factor to 0.25. Nudge this over and down 0.25. This really works pretty good and pretty quick. Just a little bit of math. Then grab that one and put it on that corner and nudge it. Grab the blend tool under object, blend, and blend just 3 times. There you have that. Now we're going to Control D and make a duplicate of this. Probably better to group it together, but I'm not going to. And then move that down and off 1/4 inch. These are a blend, and these are a blend, so we need to ungroup all the objects, and let's group this, Control G, grab just those 2 objects, not our box, and blend 3 times. Take the Smart Fill tool, fill it in, and it might be quicker. There you have your engraving lines for this cribbage board. Anyway, so I think that viewer, subscriber for the tip, or just another way to look at things. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.